How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about why your AirPods flashing green and making noise. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. The reason for this is they need to be reset. That's it. That's all you have to do. Mine were doing the exact same thing. They were flashing green. They were making the noise. Once you reset them, that usually fixes the problem. Another issue could be connectivity issues. So you got to make sure that your AirPods are within distance of wherever it is paired to. So for example, if it's paired to your iPhone or whatever, your iPhone has to be somewhat close to your AirPods. If it's really, really far away, that could be what's causing the noise to happen. But again, normally it should just be a simple reset and it should be fixed. So that's what I recommend to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.